bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're gonna go off the beaten path for a minute. We're gonna teach you how to make a cinnamon maple old fashioned. Now let's go over the recipe that it takes to make a cinnamon maple old fashioned. You need cherries, oranges, cinnamon, syrup, Maker's Mark, and club soda. Now we got our drink out the way. Let's make this bad boy. Start this recipe off. We're gonna actually build in a glass. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take oranges and cherries, and we're gonna actually add cinnamon, and then we're gonna add a dab of syrup. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna muddle in this process. So it's muddle time. And next we're gonna add our ice and 2 ounces of alcohol. Then we're gonna accompany that with some club soda. Our last step is just to garnish. And we're gonna garnish with an orange wheel. And that, my friends, is how you make the perfect cinnamon maple old fashioned. And thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go to our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.